I mean, this is kind of soft, so if I do completely wipe out, it'll be a nice crumbly bed of shale here. This conservation area lies within the Barking Slopes high biological diversity area. The habitat, the ecology that's here provides an environment for flora and fauna that are of interest either because they're endangered or rare or just, promotes a diverse amount of species. This whole hillside is one of 4 remaining undeveloped steep wooded slopes along the Allegheny River.
When we're protecting conservation areas, we look for lands that have steep slopes to protect them from being developed.
Even though we've protected it and we don't have any development, we sometimes do have landslides. We have trees that fall down and kind of bring down large rocks. So that's one thing that we kind of keep in mind here throughout the year is the possibility of some of this breaking off. There's a lot of invasive species right now, which is kind of our interest in why we're sort of active in maintaining it. The Japanese knotweed, which is kind of surrounding us and surrounding pretty much all of the riverbanks around the Pittsburgh region, was accidentally introduced on shipping crates from Japan and kind of spread wildly. So if we were here a month ago when all of this was flowering and seeding, we would pick it up on our shoes and we would spread it all the way down through the trail. So that's one of the main ways that invasives spread. In the middle of the woods where there's nothing else, we'll find a Japanese barberry shrub or a bittersweet vine because it was dropped off by a bird or something. Most invasives are present where there is human development, human impact. This is all Japanese knotweed. Right now it's dead, but in the spring, it's really, really thick. It grows really tall, has really wide leaves. We have native plants that we want to protect, and so those are plants that have been in this area, more than 100 years. At this time of year, they look like this. So there's not a lot of wildflowers out there right now, but you can kind of spot where one will be next spring if you see this. Native plants provide nutrients and habitat for native species. Our main priority in allowing hunting is for kind of resource management to manage the deer population. There's a bit of research evidence that shows that deer kind of prefer the native plants. We're now getting to the point where we're really going to make it into something that lots of locals and visitors can come and enjoy. So I'm very excited for its future.